everyone. We are into the last part of the chapter. Does mitosis alone takes place in our body? No. This is a doubt raised by a 9th standard girl. There are 46 chromosomes in the human cell. Then shouldn't the zygote formed by fusion of male and female gamete contain 92 chromosomes? Do you have such doubts? Let us analyze how the chromosome number is maintained constant even after generations in a sexually reproducing organism. So, in this session, we are going to discuss about the second type of cell division known as meiosis. Meiosis is a type of cell division that occurs in germinal cells of reproductive organs. That is, meiosis occurs in testis and ovary. Meiosis is also called as reduction division, since the chromosome number is reduced by half while making the gametes. I'll repeat once again. Meiosis is called reduction division since the chromosome number is reduced by half while making the gametes. Germinal cells in human beings consist of 46 chromosomes. They divide twice continuously during meiosis. These divisions are known as meiosis 1 and meiosis 2 respectively. Like mitosis, there are different phases in meiosis 2. More about the details related to phases you will learn in the higher classes. In meiosis 1, the parent cell will have 46 chromosomes. They divide into two daughter cells, each having 23 number of chromosomes. That is, 46 is reduced by half during the first meiotic division. In meiosis 2, each daughter cell what is formed during meiosis 1 divide further into two daughter cells, each having 23 chromosomes. That is, during the second meiotic division, the daughter cell what is formed during meiosis 1 divide into two daughter cells, each having 23 chromosomes. So, there is no change in the chromosome number. So, meiosis 2 is similar to mitosis. I repeat once again. Meiosis occurs in germinal cells of reproductive organs. Germinal cells contain 46 chromosomes. They divide twice continuously during meiosis. In meiosis 1, chromosome number becomes half and two daughter cells are formed having 23 number of chromosomes. In meiosis 2, each daughter cell again divides into two daughter cells, and it is similar to mitosis. There will be no change in the chromosome number. So, during meiosis, 4 daughter cells are formed. That is, 4 gametes are formed. I hope you understood the changes that are taking place during meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. There is difference in the number of daughter cells formed from a single germinal cell in females and males. Let us examine the differences. In male, one germinal cell divides into 4 daughter cells during meiotic division. I repeat, in male, one germinal cell divides into 4 daughter cells during meiotic division. So, 4 gametes are formed in males, that is 4 sperms are formed during meiotic division. In case of female, only a large ovum is produced from a single germinal cell. That is, during meiotic division, one germinal cell divides into 4 daughter cells. Out of this 4 daughter cells, one is a large ovum and the remaining 3 are polar bodies. Polar bodies are sterile bodies, so they get destroyed. They cannot take part in the process of fertilization. I hope you understood how gametes are formed during meiotic division. Do you remember the doubt raised by 9th standard girl in the beginning of this session? In sexually reproducing organisms, the gametes fuse together to form a zygote in which the chromosome number is restored to the value in the parent. Hope you understood how chromosome number is maintained constant even after generations in sexually reproducing organisms. Now let us see the characteristic features of meiosis. Meiosis helps in formation of gametes. It is a cell division by which conservation of specific chromosome number of each species is achieved across generation in sexually reproducing organism. It also increases the genetic variability in organism. Let us examine the differences between mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis takes place in somatic cells, whereas meiosis takes place in germinal cells. In mitosis, there is no change in the chromosome number. In meiosis, it reduces the chromosome number by half. During mitosis, 2 daughter cells are formed, whereas in meiosis, 4 daughter cells are formed. Mitosis helps in the growth of the body. Meiosis helps in formation of gametes.